Hey guys, what's up? Tim here from Everyday Tactical Vids. If you watched the first part of the Battlebox video, you know that I was going to put the bow together sometime in the future, but my son's out here, he wanted to check it out, so we put it together. It's pretty awesome. I'm by no means an archery expert, but it's been cool to test it out. So once again, here are your arrows. So let me just hold the bow on my arm here. They disassemble in the middle, they just screw together, and then you can swap out. Let's see if I can do this here. There we go. So you can swap out the heads as well. So that's what that looks like. Arrowhead with the threading there. So just put that back in like so. Let me put this down and show you the bow. All right, so here's a look at the bow. Very simple to do. The key thing you got to remember is that when you're putting it together, for the riser here, you want to make sure that the longer part is basically facing up. So I put the longer part facing up, the shorter part facing down. And by longer, I mean you can see it's longer here than it is here. It slopes down like a V basically. So you put that in, you slide this portion of the bow in, this portion of the bow in, and then it's really easy with the string. I mean, as you can see, it's all pre-assembled for you. So there's one end, there's the middle, there's the other end. So basically, you know, I put it on the ground, and then you stretch the string, put it over this end, stretch a little bit more, bend it, and link it all up, and there you go. One other thing is that you get the arrow rest here, so you can see it does have a Phillips head there. You don't have to have this; it definitely helps. But like I said, I'm by no means a archery expert, so I've been trying it, you know, shooting different ways, different angles, whatever it might be. But like at, what am I at? Probably 40 feet right here. I got like a spot that's on the fence that I've been shooting at, and I'm hitting within probably a foot of it. So it's 40 feet. It's my first couple times. Like I said, I'm not the pro here, but it's been relatively easy to use and test out. So let me actually show you what it looks like to shoot this, and then I am absolutely intrigued. I've always been interested in archery, but this is putting me in a place where I'm actually going to do it, and I'm actually showing my son how to do it as well. All right, guys, we got the bow here. We got the arrow. I am in my backyard. My son Hudson's up at the top of the slide there. Say hi, Huds. Hi. That's Hudson. He's going to say 3, 2, 1. You'll see me shoot. I do have houses around me, but there's like woods and then another house. So I'm going to shoot very close to the fence and show you what it looks like to use it. And so even if it went over the fence, which it won't, but if it went over, you know, it would go 10 feet over the fence basically. So I want to show you what it looks like, and then we'll show you what it looks like to have Hudson test it out. But yeah, super cool. Let's take a look and see what it looks like to actually shoot this thing. All right, so here it is in the fence. So yeah, yeah. I mean, I'm like I said, 10, 15 feet. I don't want to shoot at a big distance here. Man, that sun is something else. There we go. And yeah, just want to show you how it actually works, and it's cool. So I'm gonna take it out into the woods and do a little more testing at some point. But let's show you my son Hudson, who is, how old are you, Hudson?
5.
He's 5.
Just had my birthday.
He just had his birthday. He's 5, and he's gonna shoot it as well. Let's check it out. Nice one, dude.
Yeah, I did it. I did it. Whoop, whoop, I did it.
All right, guys, so there you have it. Again, this is the Survive 55 Rascal. This is the breakdown bow that came in the latest Battlebox, and really cool. So leave comments if you have questions, and I'll connect with Battlebox and have them respond over here, or maybe the folks over at Survive 55 to offer you feedback. So it's been really cool, and yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks as always for checking out the videos here on YouTube. Please subscribe to Everyday Tactical Vids if you haven't done so already. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, check us out on Instagram, Tumblr, and Vero as well.
More videos coming soon. Take care.